Break the place up. You are?
Ray Ramos. They call me Little Left.
Little Left. What's your specialty?
I spin on my head.
Spin on his head. Okay.
Chino Lopez, I'm known as Action, master of neck moves.
Neck moves.
Corvo Tower, known as Icy Ice, master of air moves.
Air moves?
Right.
I know that.
Matthew Caban, glide master, world's greatest glider.
Glider.
Tony Lopez, that's pecs, combinations. World's
Anything.
Combinations, anything.
You name it.
You name it, I got
Tony does it.
Yep.
Got it.
Bobby Potts, that's known as Flip Rock. As I flip and then start rocking on the floor.
Don't rock too hard, Bobby.
The one-man grow, they call me Kid Nice. I specialize head glides.
Head glide. Glide on your head.
Yeah.
I got it.
Tony Drohan, they call me Mr. Wave. I specialize in waves.
What is that?
Flexing your body.
Let me see.
All right.
Okay. Is everybody ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Here we go. The New York City Breakers.